Hey guys, what's up? Jeff here again to orient your fitness in the right direction. I've been feeling a little bit sick these past few days. I was planning to come out with a video earlier in the week, but I wasn't feeling up to it, but now I am. So I want to talk to you guys about how you get these clicking and cracking sounds in the shoulders. What's the cause behind it? Is it bad? Is it good? All of that. So I thought I'd discuss two common causes for this. So the first common cause why you get those clicking and cracking sounds in your shoulders is because in your shoulders you have synovial fluid there, which pretty much lubricates joints in your body. And so when you overstretch your joint capsule in your shoulder, what can happen is the synovial fluid gas can get released from it and form bubbles, and then these bubbles can rapidly collapse inwards. And then you get those popping, those clicking, those cracking sounds from that happening. It's basically these cavitations that happen. And from that you get those cracking sounds. So that's one common cause. It's not really something to be really concerned about. That's just something that happens through joints in your body, so I wouldn't be too concerned about that. So the second cause you should be more concerned about, there's another common cause. And this cause is from your biceps muscle. It's in your bicipital groove in your shoulder. And if it's going out of place, if it's going out of alignment, it can make those cracking sounds. And so you want to be more concerned about that because that could lead to things like biceps inflammation, biceps tendonitis. It could lead to more issues, so you don't want that to happen. So what causes that? It's from pretty much bad posture. If you're not in the best posture and you're over like that, you're hunched over, so you're always in bad position, from working all day and you're rounding your back, or maybe you sleep in a really awkward position, that could cause it. If you're in bad posture, your biceps tendon isn't going to be as aligned in that groove, then it could go out of alignment more, and then you could get those cracking sounds that's going in and out of that alignment. And so to do that, you got to fix your posture. It's pretty simple to fix your posture when you're standing. What you do is pretty much bring your belly button towards your spine, bring your shoulders back and down, make sure your ears are in line with your shoulders. You don't want to be forward like that with your head. You want your ears in line with your shoulders. So you want to fix your posture. And that's really going to help you with getting rid of that issue there. And there's other causes too. To really get to the true cause, you should obviously go see someone like a doctor, but those are just two common causes right there for why those sounds happen. Now if you have those, say, crunching sounds in your shoulders, that could mean arthritis right there. If your shoulders like has this crunchy feel to it, that could mean arthritis, which is bone on bone. So obviously that's worse than those other two, and you should go get that looked at and go from there. But anyways, I just gave you two common causes. Hopefully that educates you guys more. And if you like this video, thumb it up, comment, subscribe to my channel. Sorry for this stuffy nose right here. It's a little bit hard to breathe, but anyways, I did my best. If you like this video, do all I just said. Thumb it up, comment, subscribe. This has been Jeff once more, and until next time, I'll talk to you guys later soon.